In this video, we are going to see that if you're trying to access Microsoft Store and it throws you back this error 0x803FB005, something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again to restart your device. That may help. So first of all, we will work on this particular solution that is mentioned right here. Just restart your device, try it after that, access Microsoft Store, and that may help. But if not, what you can do? Here is a quick solution. Just go to start menu, but make sure always it is done after the restart. After that, just go to the start menu and WS reset, just write that and wait for this to show this particular icon of run command. Don't just search for web results, click on this command. It will process a little bit and then it should open Microsoft Store without any problem. As you can see, it has opened Microsoft Store. And after that, what we can do, if it still doesn't solve the problem, or if it is still causing some of the problems, what you can do is just open up the start menu and we need to write here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly on the screen. We just have to write here SFC space /scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way. Hit enter and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3% and we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. And after that, what we need to do is just write here dism command, but I'll mention that in the description. So just copy and paste that here, hit enter, and it will start the deployment image servicing and management tool version 10. By the time you're watching this video, image version is this, and it will process a little bit and then it will complete the process. So just sit back and relax while it completes this. And now it is 100% complete. The restore operation completed successfully. And now you can close out of here and restart your computer once to make all of this effective. And hopefully you should be able to get rid of that error. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and just comment down below and tell me if that works for you. And I will see you in the next one.